Hey guys, welcome back to another vid. I see it. Oh, and today we are on Minecraft. This is my first Minecraft video on the channel. And today we're building the iCarly apartment in Minecraft. I've already done this on Roblox, so now it's time to do it on Minecraft. If I could find a... I'm not used to using these kind of tools. I'm more used to doing like a W. I have to have my screen like this because every time I zoom in, why is it doing that? Every time I zoom in, it just my webcam and recorder disappears, so it just doesn't let me. So I gotta find a perfect place to build. Lots of trees everywhere. I gotta find a perfect place. I'm really not used to this at all. This is literally like so weird. Let's look at something. What are we gonna build? Next one. No, wait, this is better. Okay. So, I wonder. There's so many trees where I can't build it, so like I'm gonna have to build it on like some sand or something. Where's a perfect open place for me to build it? I guess here, but we'll have to destroy some of the trees. Guys, sorry, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never played Minecraft on a computer before. All I've played it is on like either a controller. I knew how to do it more on a controller. Okay, guys, so I'm going to just like break some trees. The recording will be paused. Okay. I guess that's all I'm gonna do today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye.